Hey, it's me again, Janel Sealy-Smith, Kiss Colors and Care, resident hair expert. And I'm making this tutorial for the Loc ladies who are booked and busy. When you want to look good but are pressed for time, an elevated bun is a look always the clutch. It's chic, simple, and it doesn't require a lot of fuss. The first thing you want to do is add a dime-sized portion of the Kiss Colors and Care locking gel to the roots for touch-ups and clean sections. No build-up with this product. Anyone who wears locks, that's their biggest nightmare, build-up. All right, almost complete. Now we're gonna use our edge fixer for these baby hairs. Just enough where it looks natural and sleek. Now we're gonna go into a nice, easy hairstyle that will last her. So the hair is already pre-twisted. We're gonna do a 2-strand twist up into a ponytail. I'm gonna do this around the entire head and I'll be right back. Now we're all twisted up, time to make our bun. Because of her hair length, I'm just gonna have a little fun with it. Excuse me while I have my time. We're finished. Look how pretty. And it's gonna last you all week, 2 weeks. I mean, you let them know when you wanna take it down. The greatest part of this is while it's up, all of the nutrients are all soaking in her locks. The nutrients are locked in. I hope you enjoy. Looking for more tips and tricks? Visit kisscolors.com.